organize monthly cleanup drives to our neighborhood. It's a great way to keep our area clean and teach kids the importance about the proper waste disposal.
Peer education. Peer education is some of the ways on how to implement proper waste segregation. As the youth are the future of our generation, encouraging them and on how to implement proper waste segregation can help them apply these habits as they grow older.
Business practice. One of the recommended action is that businesses like Gafe should switch to compostable packaging and partner with local composting service. In that way, trash output will be reduced to almost half of it.
The local officials should push for stricter penalties on illegal dumpings and more accessible recycling centers. Through actions, we will achieve a cleaner streets and increase community participations.
Home awareness. Every family should start separating their trash into recyclable, compostable, and regular waste at home. These simple changes will significantly reduce their landfill waste and improve everyone's awareness on proper waste disposal.
School initiatives. At school, we launched a no plastic bottle policy where students bring reusable water bottles and learn about composting. It really opened our eyes to how much we throw away unnecessarily.